Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Cassie. We are going to the Kingman Air Show today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me and check out some airplanes. All right, got the clan. Jackie, are you going to see airplanes? What was that? You are a goofball, huh? Hi, little bean.
Hey man, why don't you walk? Yeah. Come on, walk. Walk with me. You're gonna help me pull the wagon. All right?
Dude, well, why don't you do it like this? It goes up further. Yeah, you want to bend down and tie it? All right, guys, we are here. Checking it out. I can wheel that and film. They get mad at me. I bring too much stuff. Use it all. If I bring my water, they're drinking my water. And I don't got water. But they complain when I pack one for everybody. Dude, check it out. I see it, baby. Oh, sorry, Jack.
You want to eat real quick?
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. You want to? They're not busy. I don't know. It's probably just...
Go look, sir.
I'm okay for a minute if you're good.
There's a person, I don't see him, but he's got a gun in his hair. He's Miss O'Neill's brother.
Oh, very cool. It's like he's gonna hit it. Check it out, guys. I see Buggy. Shots here. Pretty cool event, guys. Take you along. Check that out, guys. Daddy and Jack are in there somewhere. There's a pinup on the side of it too. That's pretty cool. Jack, are you checking out airplanes? What do you think? He can go in it, I think, Jack. Oh, Jack. Oh yeah, sun is bright. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Jack, little man. Hey you, what'd you think? Let's check it out in here. Daddy is huge in this airplane. What is this called again, Jack?
B-17.
The B-17. This is cool.
Stay on your side.
So guys, we paid like $20 to do this. This is awesome. And they're gonna fly it. So I'll try and get some shots. Wow, this is tight. Oh, I got him. Look at that, buddy. Wow. How many guys do you think they'd put in here at a time, Jack? God dang, that'd be some tight quarters. That's cool. Wow.
This box will turn. The guy who's running. It's a little hatch.
Hey, don't do that.
Down in there.
Yeah. Really?
Imagine me trying to get through that little hatch.
What was the size you'd have to be?
You'd be more fit.
Even me, I'd still be like, I'd be claustrophobic. I couldn't do it. Wow, Jackie, what do you... Here, come here. Jackie, look at Daddy. Look at, watch, that's a big gun with all the bullets. What do you think, dude? If we're good for it, we got some people. That's cool. You guys ready, or you want to keep looking?
Watch him on the stairs.
I know, I see him. Look in here, baby. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's pretty awesome in there. Yeah. You can't go in there, I don't think, baby. What did you think? What did you think? Mama, go there. Jack, you got him? I know. How's your back doing? Okay, you got him to go down, or you want me to go with him?
Hold on, sir.
You two go together and I'll...
You go first, and then he can come down. All right, let's go.
All right, we are on the road again. Jack! Got a corn dog and some lemonade. Now we're fueled and ready to rock and roll. Okay guys, so this is the one that we did the walkthrough on, and they're getting ready to fly. Check it out, guys. Here it goes. That's what we were waiting for. Oh, there's no top over him or nothing. That's cool. Wave to him, guys. Jackie, wave. He was waving. Wave, buddy. This tripod's nice. Quit.
Blueberry.
I know. I want to do it. And then I'm already being a butthead. Need to mess with my tripod. Jack, man. I think we're losing it. Got army vehicles out. Now he's got his sis. Jack. Check this guy out. Popcorn. Found a fun drink.
Please no.
Alright, so you ready to go?
Alright, guys. I think that's it for the Kingman Air Show for us. It's been a fun day. Now off to new adventures. Jack, can you wave to our viewers? Can you wave to the viewers? Say hi. Oh, we got another one coming, guys. Hang on. I see, Buggy.